Want to make these type of surreal and liminal space art in mobile? So let's make it. You'll need two apps for it, Intot and PixArt. I took 3 PNG from Google and make the background from AI. We are an Intot app. First, I will select the building and set into the middle of nowhere. Then I'll select the cloud PNG and put it over the building for that airy feeling. Then we'll select the road or pathway and connect it into the building. Now we'll export it. This is PixArt. We'll select our exported photo and open the editing page. Click the FX option down below. Click Blur. Select the light and blending mode and adjust it about 15%. And by experimenting different types of effects in PixArt, we get this liminal space and airy surreal art. If you like dreamcore type nostalgic genres, subscribe QUADNOCTIS.